Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to take you guys with me throughout the day. I woke up and this summer I haven't been to the beach, and I was like, oh my god, I want to go to the beach so freaking bad. So I got Cookie and Zoe ready and we're gonna go to the beach. You guys ready? FYI, it's a freaking 2-hour drive away from where I live. But anyways, I'm probably going to take them to Ventura Beach. It's because I'm more familiar with the place over there than actually going to Malibu. So, yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. And we'll see you when we're there. Say bye. Say bye, Cookie. Say bye, Toto. Say we're going to the beach. Girl, you're struggling. Okay. Okay. Say hi, Cookie. Say hi, Cookie. Look at this girl. Who does she think she is? Toto, you have to go in the back. Come on. We look a fucking hot mess. But anyways, I drove legit an hour and like 30 minutes to get what I've been craving to eat. And I got some motherfucking king taco. Only found in LA. And I got me and Zoe and Cookie some food. And yeah, I'll show you when I'm about to eat. Oh my gosh. I think I over-ordered. I always do that. I'm like fucking starving. And I think I'm gonna eat everything, but I don't eat everything. That's what I have dogs for. I'm just gonna act like nothing happened. I'm gonna just keep eating my taco. Shit. So this is Cookie's food. It's just some plain damn carne asada. And then I'm gonna get Zoe's ready. You guys went to the beach and you guys are getting some tacos? Oh my goodness. Hello? I never tried a burrito here. Hopefully it's good. Oh my god, look how fucking greasy this shit is. Oh my god. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. I hate the extra fucking tortilla on top. Ooh, that shit's spicy. Girl, you're only getting the meat. See. I think I'm getting full because of the horchata. Why are you growling at her? Get in the back. You're not supposed to be growling at sister. Jojo, come here. Come on. The hell? Hey guys, so me and Zoe and Cookie made it home safely, thank God. It's about, let me check, what time is it? It's about 8:38 p.m. I feel freaking disgusting. I feel like I have sand in every freaking part of my body. And I know Cookie and Zoe are like full of sand too. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse off and just call it a night. And I feel like this vlog was just all over the place. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment down, whatever the hell you want to comment down. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.